What is going on, Phantom Army? It's your boy Phantom Stilts, and welcome back, guys, once again to a brand new tutorial video. We haven't done one of these in a very long time, but I want to show you guys how you guys can make vertical content within OBS with a single plugin. Let's get into it, guys. So what is going on, guys? I told you guys I was going to show you guys how to make vertical content within OBS with one single plugin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up a browser page. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you go to google.com or the link in the description for atm.tv. So I'm just going to show you how to get there. So atm.tv, and it's going to take you to this ATM, the best automation tool for streamers. You're going to click this and you're going to go up to products. You're going to tap vertical. And this is the plugin. So what you'll do is hit this download vertical. It will download the executable. So give it about 3 or 4 seconds. It will download the executable and pull it to your downloads. Up here in the top right hand corner, if we click on our downloads, there's the vertical plugin. I'm not going to install it because we've already installed it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go through the installment process. A dialog window will pop up asking you to install, asking you where you would like to install it. Just put it on your C drive. It should be fine there. No problem whatsoever. And then you're going to run that executable and run through the prompts. When you are done, head back over to OBS and we'll finish the rest of the tutorial. So if you guys didn't know where I am, I'm actually on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen in the kitty corner to the preview, because I turned the preview off so you guys don't have to deal with the infinity screens. Anyways, this is what the vertical plugin is going to do. It's going to actually use the vertical plugin and whatever sources that you use, whether it's your mic, display capture, whatever the case may be as far as your sources, that's what's going to give you the vertical plugin. Now, the really cool thing about this is you can add separate sources to the vertical plugin that you wouldn't have on your regular stream. So what I usually do is I just right click this here. You're gonna go to add, and you can add any of your sources that you have mapped. And if you guys are having trouble with what I'm showing you as far as adding sources and things, I'm gonna link a video that's a little bit dated. It's from 2020. That's gonna help you with OBS in general and setting your settings and your sources and all of that good stuff as far as setting up your scenes and whatnot. So I will link that in the description as well. Just look in the description for that video if you're having trouble adding the sources. Usually what I'm able to do is the docs that are available for the scene sources, I usually just hide those. So as you can see, my vertical sources are above the actual vertical display. So I just usually nix that. But I have my microphone, my desktop audio, which is my game audio, and my browser audio. I usually have music as well as my Discord. So what you will do is you will add all of those sources, and then you'll be able to get a free form content, a vertical content just like this. All right, guys, as you can see, I am now moving around in a vertical content format within OBS. So this is what you guys are going to see every time you make short form content with that ATM plugin. As you guys can see, I can ADS, I can talk at the same time. Both my face and the gameplay is captured within frame, and it also has the audio of both my voice and the game audio for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. This works across every single game that you want to use. As long as you're making short form content in that vertical plugin format, you should be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are brand new to the channel here. That way you guys don't miss out on any new tutorials, gameplay videos, or live streams on the channel. We stream exclusively on YouTube now, so make sure to come by and say hi on the streams. But without any further ado, like I said, if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to hit me up in the comment section. This is your boy Phantom Stilts, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.